What's going on, Sacred family? Today I'll be showing you how to do this trippy DATAMOSH effect inside After Effects. Now DATAMOSH is a paid plugin, guys, but you could get a 10-day free trial. If you guys want to have DATAMOSH for 10 days for free, try it out, maybe buy it. I'll link it down below. Make sure y'all check it out. Very fire effect to have. Let's hop straight into it. We're going to be transitioning from this clip into this one right here, guys, and this is pretty easy to do. Once you have your DATAMOSH installed and open on After Effects, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to press on that plus icon. That's gonna go ahead and say multiply. This point right here will be where the Mosh will start to collect its data, and this will be the end of where it collects its data. We're gonna go right there where the clip switches. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that in. Once we chose our area where we want the Mosh to happen, gonna press on this arrow right here. You're gonna press on hold frames. You can leave the intensity at 50, that's fine. And all the other settings can stay at 0 as well. Once that's done, go ahead and press on DATAMOSH, and it's gonna render out. Once that's done, it will say you just moshed. Now when we play it back, we have something like this, super fire, and we literally just did that like in a matter of a minute. The trial version does have a lot of options you guys could play around with. I obviously have the paid version. If I press this down, as you guys can see, we have zoom, average, random, mirror, sweep, experimental. These are all the different transitions that we could work with. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one for you guys. Press on zoom, leave the intensity at 50, that's fine. This is still the same area. I'm gonna go ahead and press DATAMOSH. Once that renders out, we have this insane zoom mosh. This is super sick, guys. I suggest you guys get this plugin. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. Trial version is free for 10 days. That is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. We'll drop tutorials every single day. You don't want to miss out. As you guys can see right here, 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Help my channel out. Please hit that like button, and let's keep running it up. Peace.